ideal for large-scale projects requiring high production efficiency and uniform asphalt quality.
Okay, so makatanaw itong continuous na asphalt na process, kaya dili ang ginabuhat sa continuous plants. Sa atong continuous plants, kaya yun na continuously fed, heated, mixed, and discharged without process. So continuous rin na siya until sa katong required na na standard na kailangan sa isa na company or sa kung sa recorder so buhaton na siya sa continuous plants without process. So sa pagbuta sa materials hangtod sa consistently mag-mix siya. Okay, so kanina video, so same way we have
traffic sa road. So, starting off, what is base conditions? So, in transportation engineering, base conditions are the assumptions of good weather, pavement, and traffic flow when there are no categories. These conditions are used as a basis for capacity analysis, but prevailing conditions are usually different. Adjustments are required to account for these differences. Next is we have the capacity. Capacity is the maximum number of vehicles or passengers a roadway or transit system can accommodate within a specific time, typically measured in vehicles per hour per day. Understanding these concepts help optimize roadway design, evaluate traffic flow efficiency. So under these conditions, the relationship shown in the following figures, which will be shown in the next slide, right? Are base conditions defined as the absence of restrictive geometric, traffic, or environmental factors. So base conditions exist for the following characteristics: the terrain, the lane width 12 feet per meter, shoulders 6 feet wide per meter, passing permitted in the absence of no passing zones, no impediments to through traffic due to traffic control or vehicles. Passenger cars only in the traffic street.